Several of our clients have asked us about how they can sponsor a family member for permanent residency into the United States. If you're a U.S. citizen, you can sponsor your mother, your father, your spouse, your fiance, and your children, whether they're married or unmarried, for permanent residency in the United States. You can also sponsor a brother or a sister. Now, some of these applications can be immediately processed and that person can get a green card right away, like spouses and fiancés and parents. However, others can take a little bit longer. Brothers and sisters are the fourth preference category, and they can take anywhere from a few years to 27, 28 years if you happen to be a brother or sister in Mexico. Your experience may vary, and we'd be happy to tell you exactly how long it would take for your family member to get permanent residency. The process is filing an I-130 petition for alien relative and proving that you have that relationship of a spouse or parent or child, and filing that with the U.S. Immigration Service. When they approve the I-130 petition, if that person is here in the United States, that person can eventually file an adjustment of status application, assuming they came in legally. If they're abroad or if they entered illegally and they're not eligible for adjustment of status, they would have to travel back to their home country for an interview at the embassy. That interview is a relatively short process, but you would have a medical exam to prove you're not contagious with anything scary. They would do an interview to make sure that you're not wanted by the FBI or by Interpol for terrorist acts or criminal activity or drug dealing or things like that. And assuming you clear the security clearance and you're not contagious with tuberculosis that is incurable, you would get your family member would get a green card, be able to come to the United States. Once they're here with that green card, they can start working immediately. They'd have a social security number. They'd have all the benefits of permanent residency. And after 5 years or 3 years, if you're a spouse of a U.S. citizen, they can apply for U.S. citizenship. So if you have any questions about filing for permanent residency for any of your family members, contact World One Law Group today.